Hi everybody. Happy April Fool's Day. Today is April 1st, 2009. And as it turns out, the joke was almost on me today because I went to do this video and I couldn't get my software to work, the iMovie program that I use to make these videos. I had downloaded an update and it brought things to a crashing halt. So through the magic of computers, I've gone back in time to my previous version so that I can go ahead and get this video out to you, especially to my friends at Scheidler Elementary School, who I know are hopefully watching today and going to be folding along with me, and Mr. Jones's class. So I worked it out, kids, so that I could get this one out to you as soon as possible. So get your pieces of paper together. We're going to be working on a desk organizer today. Alright, so this model today starts out using the square base. And as a reminder for how you go ahead and create that base, what you're going to do is take your piece of paper and first, with the white side facing towards you, fold it in half on the diagonal. Then open it back up, flip it over, and then you're going to fold it in half horizontally and vertically. Like that. And like that. And when you open it back up, then the crease that you made on the diagonal will automatically want to fold in, and you can close it down on itself, and you've created a smaller square. And this is where this model begins. Right now, with your square, after you've created the square base, the flappy part of it will be at the bottom, and it'll be all attached at the top. And what you want to do is flip it around so that it's the opposite, so that the flaps are at the top as you're holding it, and this bottom part is where it's all attached together. And then take the top flap here, that's as you're looking at it, fold it down right across at the center to create a guideline, and then just open it right back up. And then take the tip of that same flap that you just folded down and bring it to that line you just created and fold it over. And then what you want to do is flip it over and do the same thing on the other side. So flip it over this way, fold it in half to create a crease, open it back up, and then fold the tip down to that guideline crease that you just created. Like that. Alright, now what you're going to do is take this flap here and fold it down. And it's already creased there from when you made the guideline fold. So fold it down, flip it over, and do the same thing on this side. And then the last two folds you're going to do for this portion is to take the flap and fold it over this way on this side, so that you're basically covering up all that colored area and opening it up to the white portion. And then flip your paper over and do the same thing on this side. There'll be this flap is already only a single flap, so you're going to go to where there's 3 flaps, 1, 2, and 3. See, and fold that top one of the 3 over in this direction. So that again, now you've got just white, and you'll have just white on both sides. You've kind of reversed everything, and now all the colors on the inside, and the white is on the outside. All right, so here we are with white side on both, and next thing you're going to do is to fold into the center each one of these flaps. So first on this side, kind of like an upside down ice cream cone. Flip it over, and then do the same thing on this side. So when you're done, it will look like this. Now from this point, you're going to take the very top point here and fold it down to the bottom point. Right across there. And the same thing on this side. Bring this point all the way down to the center there. Like that. All right, now we are almost there. The next thing you're going to do is to take this flap and tuck it under here, underneath here. So you're taking it, flipping it around, and tucking it underneath, like that. Flip it over and do the same thing on this side. You're tucking this flap underneath here. Like that. All right, now we're going to open this up to our to create our little organizer, and what you'll do first is just fold this white part back and forth to give yourself a little bit of a crease there, so that it will open up and square out nicely for you. Because what you're then going to do is take it and open it up like this. And then you'll need to sort of flatten out, pull out and flatten out the bottom. And pull everything open. And there you'll have it. Your little organizer. You can keep paper clips in here, or I don't know, you can figure out what you want to. Send me some pictures of what you decided to keep in here to use. So there you have it. A nice little organizer for your desk. I think I'll use it for paper clips. There you go. All right, well, it's a good thing I'm almost done here, because we have a pretty wicked thunderstorm starting to head this way, rolling through. So I don't want to be on the computer to have more problems while I'm doing this. So that's all I have for you today. Tomorrow we're going to be working on it's called a handy stand, and it's a little stand that you can use to hold a photograph. So that looks like it will be something that'll be fun to do as well. So thanks so much for tuning in. Thanks to the kids at Scheidler for folding along with me, and I hope you all have a great day. That's no joke. Happy April. Here we go. We're in the second quarter already. Unbelievable. Have a good day, and I'll see you back here tomorrow. Bye. Dada, you want to say hello to all the kids in Mr. Jones's class?